Welcome to our series of short videos. In this video, we'll focus on OneNote, a productivity assistant built into Teams. OneNote is built into Teams. Channels can have many OneNote tabs, but standard channels have a default Notes tab. Note that the notebook file is only created when the Notes tab is accessed for the first time. OneNote is an application for gathering, managing and sharing unstructured or chaotic information, the sort that does not fit well into documents. OneNote will improve your personal and team productivity by creating a flexible space to collect and share information. OneNote is also part of Office and can be installed on your computer. The desktop version of OneNote is more powerful than the one built into Teams. We'll start by going to our Microsoft 365 training team to the collaboration demo channel and click on the Notes tab. On the left, I'll click to open the navigation pane and I'll be able to see the two sections which map onto the general and collaboration demo channels and the pages in each. The general section has no content, so I'll type in a page heading and some text. And then I'll insert another page. I can see the updated structure in the navigation pane. Back in the collaboration demo Teams training page, I can see content such as text, numbered lists, images, tables and hyperlinks. On the post-training videos page, I can see a formatted table. Remember that there may be a number of people editing the content. How do we find the content we're looking for? In the Home tab, the Feed option allows me to search for any text anywhere. For example, the word delivered. I can see the search results below, and then clicking on them will take me to the right location. A few more tricks. I can tag important content. These are not just visual indicators. In the desktop version of OneNote, I can search for tags. We can insert all sorts of content: tables, images, audio recordings, and embedded files. We can view who made changes to each page and if previous versions of the page exist. Thank you for watching this video. Why don't you give OneNote a try? Also test the desktop version, which is even more powerful. Search for more videos to find out more about how Microsoft 365 can help you.